Marka asani re? Unse marka?
আমায় ডুবাইনি রে অকুল দরিয়ার বুঝি কুল নাই রে
This is my daily routine here. So okay guys, welcome to another episode of my village. This is the second episode, and in this episode I'm going to show you the surrounding areas and other villages, and also I'm going to show you the local market, which is also called a bazaar. So hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and in the meantime I'm going to carry on washing these cows. This is Joshim, and he lives in Alipur, and that's his village there. This is Mr. Motin, Mr. Ismail, Muhammad Ismail. Can you say something please to the camera?
No.
Can you say hello to people of England?
No.
No, he's a bit shy. Behind me there's a path that leads to the field, and that's the field where we used to play football and cricket when I used to be a kid. Also there's a school. I'm going to quickly show you that area. The local primary school there, and to my right there's a pond. That's the field I'm talking about. This is called Alipur field. This is where the kids play football, cricket, and the cows graze as well. This is Alipur Primary School. The school's closed today because it's a public holiday, it's a government holiday. It's because it's the 21st of March and all government institutions and everything's closed today. This is a bamboo bridge, and they use bamboo bridges here in the village because obviously it's the most cheapest way of building a bridge, and obviously there's no water. Like I said, this bamboo bridge is used in the raining season where it's all flooded, so they can actually cross onto the other side. So that was Alipur, guys. Now I'm just heading towards another village, another nearby village called Shankarpur. It's only half a kilometer away from where I am now, and we're going to walk it there. It's about 5 to 10 minutes walk. I want to take you to the river, and the river view is awesome. But before that, I want to show you something interesting, something that I really love at this time, especially when it's almost 4:30 now, and this is a time when all the cows from the fields that went out in the morning together, they come back together at the same time, and the view is awesome. I'm going to try and get some drone footage. Yeah, so we're here in Shankarpur now, but we need to go to the riverside, which is another 5 minutes walk. This is the best time to take pictures and videos. The sun's almost about to set, just before the golden hour. Obviously the golden hour is better, so that's the sun sets here around 5:45. It's 4:30, and I've shown you the cow footage. What do you think? Let me know if you liked those cows going home together. Something that you will hardly see anywhere else. So I'm from Alipur, but all these villages are nearby. The other village I want to go to is called Nuagao. It's not neighbouring village, but I just want to go there for one reason. The bridge over there is really, really nice. It's got some really nice river view there. So this is how you cross the river in Bangladesh. Okay, so I'm just going to fly this drone on the river over there. We're going to jump on the boat. And then this drone is going to fly straight on top of us.
বুঝি কুল নাই রে আমায় ভাসাইনি রে আমায় ডুবাইনি রে অকুল তোরি আর বুঝি কুল নাই রে চাহে আঁধি আয়ে রে চাহে মেঘা ছায়ে রে हमें तो उस पार लेके जाना।
So sorry guys, looks like I'm gonna have to end my video here today. It's just getting too long, so it's not the end of the village video anyway, by the way. This is end of part 2. I've got part 3 coming up soon. Hopefully that should be the end of my village episodes, and I'm looking forward to making that video. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and drop a comment. Let me know what you think of this video. So, shobaike dhonnobad, bhalo thakun.